If you are busy in your work or there are some other reasons to schedule TikTok posts, no need to worry. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we schedule TikTok posts through our mobile. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. One thing is clear that we cannot schedule our posts through normal mobile application. So we will open up our Chrome browser and will search for TikTok.com. Tap on these 3 lines and convert this into desktop mode. Then log into your TikTok account on which you want to schedule your posts. Now I have logged in my TikTok account. I will simply tap on this profile icon, then we'll tap on View Profile. As here you can see that this is the exact same profile which is logged into my mobile app. Now simply tap here on Upload. Then tap on Select Video, choose your video from your device. Then put your title, description, and tags. Once completed, now here you can see there are 2 options below when to post. As we are scheduling our post, so I will press on second option. Press Allow. Choose the date and time you want to publish your video, and finally press on Schedule. Our TikTok post has been scheduled. If you want to upload another video, then tap again here. If not, simply minimize it. I hope you found this video helpful. Then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.